Hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to be filming my Kinder Beauty unboxing for June 2022. But before we get started, I do have quite a few things I wanted to talk about. One, I'm wearing the Truffle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow that came in the Medusa's makeup bag this month. And as you can see, it just gives a nice tiny flush to the lips. You can definitely get a pinker look than this, but I just wanted something a little bit light. And it's very hydrating. It feels fantastic on the lips. So that's a winner. Next, I'm also wearing the blush that came in this month's box, the Beach Bum Frosted Blush. And I'm not really getting a whole lot of frost here. Maybe a little if you look up close. I have my mirror right here. But overall, with a nice light hand, it looks very, very nice on me. So because I use such a light hand, I think that you can absolutely build this up with little to no work at all. This would probably look good on a huge range of skin tones. I think it's very nice. And I have not finished my makeup actually yet, because I wanted to tell you guys about a product that was sent to me. They reached out to me on Instagram. I have no obligation to share this with you. I just thought it was really cool, so I wanted to. So this is the iMethod Beauty Waterproof, Smudge-Proof, Long-Lasting Wing Eyeliner Stamp. I'm terrible at drawing wings, so I was like, yeah, sure, I'll try it. Sounds interesting, whatever. It actually is pretty effective and really easy to use. So I wanted to mention this to you guys, and I will link to it down below. It's fairly affordable. And I wanted to go ahead and use it real quick to show you guys just how simple it is, and then I'll probably cut away, finish my face, and then come back. So let's go ahead. This is the left side. Let me do the right side because I have the mirror on the right side. So as you can see, it shows you, if my camera would focus, which side the stamp is on, and the other side is just an eyeliner pen to fill in with the stamp to the rest of the eye. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if it'll pick up on that, but it's literally just a stamp of the wing, and it's this easy. Boom, done. I've got a wing, and you can angle it however you want. You can get creative with it, but it's literally that simple. So that is the stamp side, and then on the other side, it's a chunky eyeliner. So I already have a little bit of eyeliner on, but I'll just fill it in. There you go. That's simple. And I have winged eyeliner. And so if you wanted to, you could take this and go to the tip and even make it sharper, but I'm okay with how it looks. So easy. So I'm going to go ahead, get off camera, do the left side, put my mascara on. I think I didn't do my brows either. And I'll be right back and we can get into the Kinder Beauty box. Okay, so there I have both my little wings. Super cute. Now we can get into the Kinder Beauty box. Wonder what we're getting. I know that I always go in and select which one I want, except for that month that I went haywire, but that's a whole other story. But I genuinely forget what the heck is supposed to be in this box by the time it gets here, so I don't know. We'll see what we get. So it looks like I chose the Dawn box, and we have 5 items. Let's get on in here. So the first thing on top is from Glamnetic. Oh yeah, we're getting these lashes. And it looks like these are the, does it say what style they are? I don't think it says the, oh, maybe Venus. Venus on the bottom. So these are the Venus style. Here's the box. Really pretty packaging. Although I will say there is print right over the lash, so you can't really see the lash very well, but I guess it does just slide out. But there's a little plastic piece. Let me cut that open. Okay, I cut that little plastic bit so we can get a good look at the lashes. They look like a nice lash. Like a good, nice standard lash for going out and feeling a little spicy. Super cute. So let's read about this. This is a $29.99 value. And these are the Venus lashes. The goddess of love would approve of these vegan lashes with a natural looking winged shape. They're light enough to wear all day, every day, and will subtly boost any look. And then it has a beauty tip. After applying the magnetic liner, place the lashes about 1 centimeter away from the inner corner of your eye. Don't forget to trim the lashes to fit your eye before applying. Always cut from the outside of the lash. So that's exciting. I guess this is the liner that goes with it. Yes. So these two go together. I've always seen the ads for those and thought it looked so interesting. So I am excited to have somewhere to go where I can try that because they look really fun. Next thing in the box is from Vor, I think is how you say it. And it's the Sunset Rituals Signature Conditioner. Love that. I'm obviously going through conditioner with my multi-bleached hair, which is, the pink is fading already. Pink, I don't know what it is. I use sulfate-free shampoo and other products, whatever. And the dye just never wants to stay in me. So, or I guess it's not in me, in my hair. But I am going to be getting it touched up eventually, so it doesn't matter. But the pink just always fades so fast. Anyway, I'm going off topic. So this is Vor Hair Care, or we're just gonna go with that. I don't know how to pronounce it. It says it's a $15 value. Seems excessive for the small, like, I don't know, what is this, a step up from a travel size, a deluxe size? I don't think this should be worth $15. And it says the Sunset Ritual Conditioner. This creamy conditioner infuses strands with hyaluronic acid and lactic acid for maximum hydration and body, and plant botanicals, providing natural sunscreen to protect your hair during the summer fun. So that's pretty cool. I am excited to get conditioner as long as my hair actually likes it. Conditioner is good in my book. To circle back for a second to the Glamnetic liner, this is actually its own standalone product. I didn't even notice it on the card, but I should have. This is where the money's at. This is a $42.99 value. So this is the So Future Magnetic Liner Pen in Deep Space. This magnetic felt tip eyeliner in Deep Space Black uses dual purpose action, giving you a perfect pigmented wing while holding your lashes in place. Smudge proof, quick drying, goes on smooth. So this is really the magic then, not necessarily lashes. They're interesting. The next product we have is completely covered in grease or oil. So that's disgusting. It must have leaked in shipping. Is this other one like that? No, this other one's not like that. So this one leaked. This is the Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum. I'm gonna stop touching that because I don't want greasy, sticky hands. Let's read about it. It's a $42 value. This fast absorbing day serum provides brightening, hydration, and age defiance with what? Who writes these? With a formula that will leave you with a non-greasy, smooth finish. Beauty tip: warm 2 to 3 drops between your palms and pat into your face and neck. Then follow with your favorite moisturizer and SPF. Now I do have a Dirty Lamb body oil that I do really like and it smells lovely, but let's read the ingredients and see if this is something I'll even put on my face. So it was so close, but the last ingredients are sage oil, citrus lemon oil. I'm not putting those on my face, and given that it's a short ingredient list, those are probably in here to a larger extent than in something else. So given that this has leaked, I don't know how I'm going to transport it to give it to a friend. I certainly am not putting it in the giveaway, which will be at the end of this month, so keep an eye out for that in the empties video. Yeah, so I guess I'll probably just end up keeping this and using it on my body for the sake of using it up because it's leaky and gross. And even though it is somehow leaching out of here, it's still very full. So I'm thinking this is a product design flaw. Somehow it is just leaching out. So just keep that in mind if you ever go to purchase that. And the last item in the box is from 103 Collection. It is a silicone-free heat protectant serum. So that's kind of cool. Let me not drop it. I love that we're getting a couple of hair products in here because I feel like we don't get a ton of hair products, and I think it's kind of fun to receive those. So this is a $19.95 value. Did I mention with this one it's a $46 value? So for the product to be leaking, not cool. But that's in the past. We're moving on to this one. So it's a $20 value. Silk pressing or blow drying might be crucial to your stepping out look, but it can take a toll on your hair. This lightweight serum seals in moisture and provides a high gloss, protected finish. Beauty tips. Before styling, warm 2 to 3 drops between your palms and distribute evenly to wet or dry hair to smooth flyaways and add shine after styling. Use 1 or 2 pumps of a serum. Can also be used as a hot oil treatment. So that's pretty cool. I don't typically do a lot of heat styling, although I've thought about it recently, especially with me playing with my hair color. I've thought about maybe playing with styling, and it does look so cool straightened. I love my hair straightened. I just don't ever want to do it because it takes forever, but this will be good to have because I haven't had one of these in a long time, so very excited about that. So overall, I'd say for the products I'm pretty excited to try, things that are not always in every single box over and over and over again, so I'm really excited about that. I am really glad that they packaged the glass wet products in some bubble wrap so this didn't get on everything, so very thankful to that because I really think it's some sort of product design flaw because like there's a little lifting at the top of this pipette lid, and I think that's probably how it got out. But also, why they gotta put lemon oil in face serums? That is not helpful in the least bit. It is harmful. It can be reactive in sunlight. It's just, let's avoid citrus oils in face products. Can we please? Can we please? But I will hop off of that high horse. I am sad that I won't be using in the intended use one of the most expensive products in the box. So that's annoying. But that said, this one is nearly an identical value and it's something I am excited to try and give some use to. So 4 out of 5, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and give this an A. Solid A. This was a good month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like more content from me, I am posting a lot on Instagram right now. And I'm also posting more frequently on Amandaphenomenon.com. So check that out for sure. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!